morning, everyone. My name is Chris Thompson. I'm here at the iLite conference in Toronto representing Skills for Life. Today we have over 300 students here from across high schools across Toronto from the Catholic District School Board, and I'm going to be talking to them about financial literacy and discovering their passion. The idea thing about budgeting, the idea thing about what is debt, what is it to save from now so they're better off in the future, to help them achieve their passion and the goals they want. So we're getting ready to set up. It's going to be a great video. Remember to follow us at Skills for Life Inc. on Twitter, Instagram, and also look for us at www.theskillsforlife.ca on our website. Thank you. It's going to be a great day. Check it out.